Alright, so here we are on a Trane XC10 or 1000 manufactured in August of 1995. Checking the Freon. And so this unit is definitely low on Freon. I just put my gauge on it, so definitely is low on Freon. In there and check for a leak, see what's going on. Alright, I'm up here in the attic with the leak detector. See when I go by the drain there. Alright, so we just left that house and I gotta send him some quotes, but I think he's gonna go with a new outdoor unit and a new coil, which is fine with me. So the new R22, or not the new R22 rule, but the cost of the R22 is gonna make people buy a lot of things that they wouldn't normally have bought. So I told them that used to I just put Freon in it, but now not. Just don't want to waste it, and he agreed.